Today I got this new Bluetooth speaker from WVIP and I decided to do the unboxing here so that everybody can see what is inside the carton. So this is the packaging. There was no any leather that is sealing the box, but other than that everything looks okay. So this is it right here. According to what is written here is 60 watts, though I've not tried it, like I've not tested the sound to know if it's really up to the 60 watts. I have another 60 watt speaker that I've used before. I think the Zealot S67 is also 60 watts. So I'm going to be comparing this with that Zealot to see which one have better sound quality. But for the price, this is way cheaper compared to the Zealot speaker. I got this here from CDK around 25,000 naira, and the Zealot of that same 60 watt is going for over 60,000 naira. So the price difference is very huge. So without further ado, let's dive in. So inside the box, first off, let's see. Okay, this is supposed to be the handlebar. Don't know. So now, wow. Okay, so first off, we have the strap. I think this is meant to be the handle to carry it. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's lengthy enough and is adjustable with these fine clips. Now, what else? Okay, we have the cable for charging. Is a Type C cable to USB. So you're going to need a charging brick to charge this. So nothing else inside the box. So let's take this out. So I'm done with this. Nothing else inside the box. So these are just the foam to keep the Bluetooth firm inside the carton. We are done with it as well. So now the main topic of the day, the Bluetooth. This is the first look of the Bluetooth. This is the radiator, passive radiator, and these are the control switch. And inside of this place are the charging ports, the USB for flash drive, and then the on switch. So let me see. This is the other radiator, and this is the side to hang the strap. So let me try that on now. This is the strap. You can carry it. It's not as heavy as the Zealot, so definitely I don't think the sound quality is going to be as strong as the Zealot. But this is not a comparison video. This is just an unboxing. We are going to do the comparison on another video. And if you have your question, you can bring it in. So let me turn it on so I hear the initial sound.
W VIP
Bluetooth mode.
It's very loud, but for the sound quality, I'm going to test that soon. So it has lights. There's an RGB light there. I don't know if you sync with the music, but for now it's on. And there's a switch for it here. From this, you can see that there's a switch for the light. If I press it now, the light goes off and back on. So I think this is the to change the mode to either FM or Bluetooth.